What's going on, cryptocurrency universe? It's the Bitcoin miner here, guys. And today we're going to show you how to back up your Enigma wallet. Only the native wallet. The light wallet, you get a word phrase for your backup. The native wallet uses a wallet.data as a backup. So let me show you guys how to do that as a backup. What you're going to need to do is go into your computer and then go to this PC. Once you go into this PC, you're going to go find your local drive, which in this computer is a C drive. Users, find the username that it's installed under, go to the application data, and roaming. Now, a lot of you may, if you have not been to this application data, it is a hidden file. You will not be able to actually see it. In order to see it, we need to go up to the top on Windows 10 and click View. And you will need to check hidden items. Once you check hidden items, refresh the page with this little swirly. And once you refresh the page, this will show up app data. Go into your app data, go into roaming. Once you're into roaming, this wallet has two parts to it. This is the core portion of it, and none of your wallet files are actually in here. The wallet files are under the Komodo version. So find Komodo. So these two parts, Komodo and the Enigma wallet here, are both parts of your Enigma. Now, in order to get to the native wallets, we need to go into Komodo and then find each individual one. So as an example, right here, we only have Verus as a native wallet. We would see another folder here. Let's say as an example, if we did Komodo as a native wallet, or if we did any other coin as a native wallet, it would have its own separate folder here. And within that folder, you're going to find the wallet.data file. Here it is. This is the wallet.data. You need to make sure to copy this and save this in a safe location. This is a backup for your Enigma wallet. If let's say something happens, it crashes, there's a problem, you can delete it, start over, go in, and just simply start it up, replace the wallet file, the blank wallet file, with your old wallet file, this one, and all of your data, all of your tokens, your addresses will all show up. So this is the best way to back it up. I suggest that you put these on a secure flash drive, that you only use to back up your wallets, and store it in a safe location. If not, have two identical versions with backing it up on both flash drives and storing them in two separate locations to be the most safest. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed this quick tutorial on how to back up your Enigma wallet. Have a great day, guys. Let me know if you have any questions.